What's up, everyone? This is the trade recap for January the 8th and 2019. And today was the first red day of the year for at least my trading. So I took 5 trades today, and I was just not in tune with the market. Ended up down 45 ticks in the ES. So let's go over the trades and see if I could have done anything better. Please leave comments below if you have any suggestions. First trade here, I was stocking the IB low at about 57.50, and my expectation was that it collides with IB low after the first hour, and it trends down. Continues further down. So the market was trending down all the way up until the first hour, and it was pulling back at this point. So I entered short right after it collided with the IB low at 57.50, and I think I'm in one contract here. I'm in one contract here because the markets have been so volatile and the swings have been so large that my stops need to be wider, and in terms of my risk parameters, I'm trying to keep a 1 to 1.5 R factor, so my stops have to be a little wider, and therefore my sizing is down to one contract for some trades. And that depends how big my stop needs to be. So I'm just watching the order flow. Seems okay for now. Place my target there right before that heavy bid at 25.53. So I have my target at 25.54. Approaching, watching the order flow, and let's speed this up a little bit here. So all of a sudden the buyers shorts get squeezed and the buyers come in, and it pops up past that consolidation period where right where it got in, and it takes me out. Okay, so down 9 ticks. Reassessing here. Second trade here. So you can see from my first trade here, it continued higher. It's basically went back all the way up to about 25.60. Started coming down, and I see this heavy offer, this heavy sellers at 25.58 coming in. And it's flashing in and out. So I enter short one contract at first, looking to scale in if I see more interest in terms of offers coming in. I'm stocking that. Okay, so now I've entered 2 contracts. See that 25.58 offer at getting stronger. So the play here is I'm still looking at the rejection of the IB low and the continuation lower. So it's punched through the IB low and it's rejected and it's coming down, and I see this heavy offer coming in, so I go short. 2 contracts. I put my stop right above that heavy bidder. If it comes back, I do not want to be stuck in this trade with 2 contracts. First scale out here. Okay. Watch an order flow, heavy offers coming through, pushes into my first scale out. Speed it up a little bit here. So I'm continuing watching the order flow. I see offers flashing in and out. So I'm quite confident here for my second scale out. But the bids come back in, and okay, takes my stop out. Okay, down 2 ticks for the day still. So at this point, I'm 2 trades down. I'm questioning my analysis. Should I continue to play this IB low? And of course, once I get stopped out, it comes back, right? So I'm just getting chopped up at this point. Okay, third trade here. Third trade, I'm looking at this and it looks like the IB low's holding. So I'm thinking, okay, if it continues higher, it's going to trend up for the day. It's going to V bottomed, and then now it's going to come up. So you see me entering long one contract here. You see the heavy bidders coming in here at the what is this here, 25.57s, which is the IB low again. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, well, this is probably going to start trending up here. As you can see, the total trend here is obviously up, and the cumulative delta is trending up as well. So I'm looking at this as a long now, not playing the continuation lower again. So you see me place a wide stop here. Basically, if it consolidates out, I'm wrong, I get out, and I'm looking for a higher target. So again, sizing down to one contract here, as in my stops need to be a little bit wider, and also my targets are wider as well. Okay, let's speed this up. So I'm just getting chopped around here. So you see, just going sideways, it's not trending. Just testing my patience to make sure that I don't move my stop or my initial plan. Just chopping around here. So at this point, I'm thinking, should I get out? I leave my stop in. And it takes me out again. Flushes down all the stops. It's hitting all the stops here. And of course, it basically consolidated around the IB and it pushed further down, and I was on the wrong side of the trade again. Okay, fourth trade. So at this point, I'm down 3 trades. This is a dilemma. Was a dilemma for me. So my decision whether to stop for the day and just call it quits, or continue playing. So basically, I see that now the trend is lower. I'm thinking it's continuing lower. I see these heavy offers coming through, and I enter one contract short. We're still in the overall downtrend, and of course I have a very tight stop, because if I'm wrong, it's basically popping back up with all that those heavy liquidity at the bottom there. All right, fifth and last trade. By this point, you probably think that I have had enough. However, now the price has gone all the way back up and it's approaching VWAP, and also mid. And the play here is I'm looking for a quick pullback and rejection of the VWAP mid. And I enter in short. I see heavy offers coming through again, new liquidity. And I have my, I think I'll place my stop here right above those heavy offers. So what I should have done here is waited for a larger pullback towards VWAP mid. Speed things up a little bit here. So it looks promising. I see heavy offers flashing in and out. I'm thinking the price is looking to hold, but it pops back up and it just goes sideways. I see heavy offers coming through again, and let's fast forward. I think I skipped a bunch. I stopped recording, and this is a new recording, so I got stopped out again with a total loss of 45 ticks today, which equates to about $562.50 loss. All 5 trades. I told myself my max loss per day is $600. I've approached that. I was just simply not in tune with the markets today, and 5 trades were all red. Basically got chopped up. So I could have played, I guess, the earlier part of the move in today, but I was not around for that trade. If you guys have any suggestions, any recommendations, please comment below. I hope these trade recaps are helping someone out there. It's a way for me to journal and also review my trades. But I just thought I wanted to share with people on YouTube and internet who are looking for a better strategy or looking to see if they can improve their trading. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.